Hey yo people, my name is Sir Calco, and welcome back to my Nuzlocke of Pokemon X and Y, which is going surprisingly well, despite the fact of what it is. I haven't even had a Pokemon die yet. Okay, ooh, item. Gotta get me some items. Alright, but before we begin, I'm going to inform you who I have right now. We've got Billy Bob the Froakie, Waldo the Fletchling, Cowpio the Metapod, Barry Benson the Kakuna, Troll the Dunsparce, and Petunia the Flabébé. I get this sick feeling in my stomach that one of them is going to die by the end of the episode, but only you will know. But, yeah. Ooh, another item. Give me the item. Oh, it's a great ball. Nice. Or should I say great? Da 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 da. Get off the stage. Alright. Grinding time. Yay. Oh, it's a Budu. It's so cute. I want one. Peck. No. Don't kill Waldo, please. Oh, wait a minute. Who am I kidding? He's not going to kill Waldo. Look how much damage. That did 1 damage. Yeah, see, there's no way I'm going to lose to him. Bye, Budu. I must bud you adieu. That didn't... Agility. What does that do? I forgot. Raises speed stat. Well, I suppose it's... I suppose I can replace Growl. For now, at least. Alright, I need some of my weaker guys to be at the front and center now. Well, I've better evolve my bug Pokemon for them to be any good. Oh. Hello. Battle me now. Why have I already fought you? Oh. Well, yeah, I guess I could see that. Okay, it's a Fletchling. No biggie. Cowpio! You know what? I'm gonna give Troll a shot, cause Rollout should be able to do good against him. Come on, Troll! Troll! Okay, not that bad. I should be okay. Oh dear, no. No, I do not think this is going to go. Oh no. No. Please, no. Stay alive, Troll. Okay, you can do this. Just, no. Ah! Ah! Kill it. Yes! Oh! You did it, Troll. I'm so proud of you. Oh! I thought for sure I wasn't gonna make it. Oh! Huh? Yay! You do it, Cowpio! Come out of your cocoon and emerge as a beast of destruction. Yeah, Butterfree. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Cowpio. Aren't you proud, Legotron? Confusion. Nice. Ah, man, I thought he learned... I wonder if he learns the other powder moves. Hey, did I... Yeah, you were the one I already fought, okay. I need to heal Troll. Survived with... How much HP did he survive with? Let's see. 5 HP. Wow. Good work. Oh, hello. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Oh, it's a Badoo. Meh. Let's do it, Calpio. You the boss. Ding. Oh, wow. That works for me. How much power does that have, though? 50. Okay, that's all right. It's good. It's good for the part of the game I'm in, at least. Yeah. All right. It's perfectly fair, though. Alright, as much as I like Calpio, I think I need to switch to get some other guys stronger. Barry Benson, you need to evolve into a bee! I guess we better... Oh dear, no. You know what? I need the EXP. Come on! I don't want to know what their official name is. Holy cow, he's got a chainsaw! Corpish? Oh, that one. That ding. Alright, Barry Benson. You're probably not going to do that well. Is anyone strong against him? What does Petunia know? Vine Whip? Yeah! How does it know Vine Whip if it's not a grass? Whatever. Whatever. Let's go, Petunia! Wait, Petunia... Okay, good. Petunia's a girl. Holy... I'm gonna risk a Vine Whip. Oh, okay. Alright, I can probably do one more. Okay, yeah, I'll be fine. It's not using Vice Grip. I'm kind of surprised. Alright, I need to heal you. I heal thee, Petunia. There we go. Alright, we're good for now. No! Stop! Alright. Just keep on whipping it. Now watch me whip. Oh yeah. No! Ah! Petunia! Stay alive! You're doing fine. As long as I've got potions with me, I should be okay. Okay. Vine Whip again. I don't have any electric type moves with me. Okay, okay. One more hit, Petunia. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Just... Okay, yes. Good work, Petunia. I'm hoping you'll be a valuable member of my team. Yay, Barry Benson. Does that mean he evolves? I'm a pro when it comes to gardens. Yeah, like a boss. Yeah! B! Gosh dang it, I should have called him You Like Jazz. That would have been perfect. B! Here it comes. You like jazz? It's beautiful. Good job, Barry Benson. You've come this far. Does he learn anything? Fury attack. Nice. Okay, Troll and Petunia need to get stronger. They're only on what levels? 8 and 8 each. So both of them nearly died, so it's like, which one do I pick? I better look at their moves real quick. Power, 30 power, cuts 4 PP from a move. That's okay, I guess. 50, 45, yeah, definitely Troll. Alright, I'm gonna have you switch with Barry Benson. And I know I've got to get him stronger because I had a very close call earlier. What have we got? Oh, it's so cute! I want one, but I can't get one. Alright, and I'll send out Billy Bob this time. Billy Bob Joe. I looked at a few other channels who did Nuzlocks, and practically none of them made it with their beat it with their starters. I'm hoping Billy Bob will be able to pull through, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, so much. Oh, I made it. But I need to grind. I must grind! Oh, Ladybug. That's a bug flying type. I think Troll can take it by himself. At least I hope. Roll out! Oh, wow. Get dunked on. Okay, if I'm gonna want to get EXP for these guys, I need to fight trainers. Oh, hello! Battle me, now! Yes, I do love Pokemon. Apparently so do you. You've got your son is in a Pancham. Oh, dear. Well, I'm a higher level than you. Don't want to risk rollout. I don't know what is electric weak against? Electric type. No. Electric type weakness. Just ground? Oh my goodness. Okay. What type is bug flying? I've only got a few Pokemon who will be good against him. Alright, I'm gonna do Barry Benson. You like jazz? Okay. What does Fury attack do? Oh, nice. I'm gonna see if I can poison him first. Oh my goodness! That thing is weak. Okay, another poison sting should do it. Wow. Well, that went better than I anticipated. I sure hope there's not an electric type gym leader. Oh, come on! A Pikachu as well? Why? Alright, Petunia, you're up. This is for being an overrated Pokemon, Pikachu. Sick on Petunia. I hope it doesn't know any really bad. Okay. What does that do? Alright, Fairy Wind is a special attack, I believe, so I don't think it's going to be affected. Alright, we're fine. And one more. Oh, for super ah! Why? Blech. Oh well. These Fairy Winds. I can take another hit. Oh, okay, not with a Tail Whip. Oh, but no, I can't risk it. I don't want to lose a party member. Okay, we're good. Let's just Fairy Wind him one more time. Will you stop it, Pikachu? Alright, there we go. Get dunked on. Alright, Petunia. Yes, I really do love Pokemon. I don't know how you noticed. Maybe it's because I'm playing a game. Oh, hello! You came out of nowhere. Nice hair. That's all I can. You traded for that? Dude, you just... What's the word? You got ripped off. What did you trade for a Magikarp? Oh my... Wow. I just feel so sorry for this kid. Free XP for me, I guess. Whip him down. Whip him down, whip him to the ground, whip him down, down, down to the ground. Such a strong Pokemon. So majestic. Such beauty. At least it's got an epic mustache, I guess. Okay, it's dead. Garp, garp, Magikarp. Well, he died. I'm going to talk to him again and see if he tells me what he traded for. I mean, I guess it'll be strong whenever it evolves, but still, you got ripped off. Okay. Battle me! Behold these glorious moves that I have honed and perfected in the garden. Oh! And this guy's got a chainsaw too. That face just makes it seem like he's an evil Corpish. Same guy, I guess. Which means I guess I'll use Petunia again. I think Petunia should be stronger enough to withstand some more moves. Like that. Alright, Vine Whip. Oh, wow. She's faster than it now. Can we take another move? No. No, we can't. I've got 8 more potions left. I'll be fine. Let's see. Mud Sport. Darn it, I should have used Vine Whip that last turn. Oh well. No, I don't want to switch out. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay-nay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me. Seriously? Why bubble? Okay, he's almost down. Whew. There we go. Good job, Petunia. You've done good. Lucky chant. I wonder what that does. Troll. Yep. My skills can pay the bills, good sir. Oh, great. Well, I need that item. It's an ether. Yay. Another Pokemon approaches. Whoa. What is that? Okay, that's my phone. Let's go, troll. Alright, rollout should already take care of it. Oh. I'll be fine. No! How dare you? Don't hurt yourself. Yes. Good work. Yay, troll! Pursuit, okay. Probably better than some of the other moves you've got. Rage. Well, that's a pretty good move. I guess I'll take out Spite. Yeah, I'll do Spite. Good work, troll. Alright, I'm going to go see those people that are at the very top, and then I'll end the video. Ah! One last Pokemon, though. Pokemon. Routes. Meet troll. Oh, Pursuit should be good against it. Huh. Or not. Come on, troll. Keep on fighting. Oh, dang it. Oh, well. There we go. Nice work, troll. Be the troll that everyone knows and hates. Not loves because you're a troll, I guess. Hello, who are you? Have you ever heard of a... Gee, I don't know. Wow, you have one with you. Lullaby is now brace yourself, a fairy type Pokemon. Fairy type isn't... What? Entire type match system months. We've been battling fairy type. This other type is... My name's Cinna. It's a beautiful name for... Okay, really? Oh, Dexio! You are the two guys from Sun and Moon. Okay, to the lab we go then. So how are you and Dunsparce getting along? The more you walk around with your Pokemon, the stronger your friendship will become. Ooh, return. Well, nice. Right through this gate, you'll be in Luno City. Go on already. You don't have to be pushy. Meanie. Ah, I love this music. I'll go ahead and wait in front of the lab for you. Follow her that way to the lab. Okay, that was not necessary, Dexio. It's the lab of labness with a labradoodle inside. Why isn't there a wombat Pokemon yet? I just want... Oh, that's not a Pokemon Center. Okay. Give me a TM. I'm just gonna talk to everyone and see if they're gonna give me a TM. TM. Alright, I think everyone here is just obsessed with online functionalities. Okay. I need a Pokemon Center and then I'll end the video. This must be it. No. No, this is just another coffee shop. No, I don't want to go into the lab. No, I don't want to go inside. I want to find the Pokemon Center. Okay. No. Give me TMs. Across from the Pokemon Lab. Are you serious? I was right there. No. Why? Now where's the lab? Okay. Does that mean this is it? Is this it? Here it is. Yes. Whew, we've come a long way, my pals. We must continue our Nuzlocke journey and maybe even beat the game. Hey yo people, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. That way you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. There's not a blackout. That screen is moving. Anyways, if you check out my main channel, Sir Calco, and for now, and till next time, peace out. This is going to give me a seizure or something. Ooh.